This is why you always embarrass yourself. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maliah. If you guys are new here, and if you guys are new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Because if you're not, what are you doing? Today's video, we're going to be making an egg boil. Follow along if you do want to give this a try. I do recommend it because I'm pretty sure this is going to be fire. Also, I do want to say I am here with a special guest.
Hey y'all!
Let's go ahead and get into the ingredients. We have the unsalted butter, and then we have our eggs here, minced garlic, ground paprika. We have this Cajun seasoning, onion powder, organic parsley, red chili peppers, garlic powder, chicken broth, and then lastly we have a funky onion. So that's all the ingredients that I do have. I don't have everything that I need to make this, but I don't care about none of that. First thing that we have to do obviously is make the eggs. I'm not sure how many eggs I want to eat. How many eggs should I eat, sister?
One.
No, more than two. Cause what the freak?
Let me think what it's like to be Maliah. Think of scale. I'd say about 5.
Think of scale. Okay. What does that mean? These eggs are gonna be old tomorrow. You know what that means?
Gluttony.
I'm not gonna eat them all at once though.
Really?
You just think I'm this gigantic being. Like,
Eat 5 both.
so I'm gonna put some water in this pot and we're gonna cook all of them. Okay guys, so I did go ahead and just put the eggs on as you guys see over there. I'm gonna put a timer on for 5 minutes. Right now I'm gonna go ahead and cut the onion.
Wolf, wolf, bark, bark. Wolf, wolf, meow, meow. Wolf, wolf, chirp, chirp. Wolf, wolf, tweet, tweet. Cut that out.
We'll see what happens.
I hate everything about that.
We'll see if I want to delete it or not.
You do.
How do you know that though, for sure?
I know.
I'm keeping that in there too.
I'm not gonna watch it.
They need to know you for who you are and not this fake person that you show them.
Y'all, that's an inside joke. Y'all don't even understand. I know. You know. What's the next line?
No.
My name. I just want to know how we even travel this far across the town.
What?
Ooh, hey.
Look at you. You be trying to like make fun of somebody and end up trying to stupid yourself.
I'm gonna tell a joke to the camera. Why did the chicken cross the road, camera?
Why are you saying camera and it's actual people? I did go ahead and finish cutting up the onions. As you saw, I just put the eggs in the sink so they can cool down. Right now, I'm gonna go ahead and start making the actual sauce. So I got my pan here. I'm gonna go ahead and put the butter in it. Garlic powder, onion peeled, mama Cajun seasoning. Next we have the ground paprika, red chili pepper.
Okay, that looks good. Look at you. Looks amazing, sister. You're not really good at camera work for a YouTuber. Hey, looking flavor.
Big. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the chicken broth. Okay, guys.
Hey,
Shut up. Why do you always talk as soon as I hit record?
I said words for you and you just move your lips.
No. Okay, guys.
Hey, y'all.
Okay, guys, so I did go ahead and finish the boil. This is what she's looking like. It's so cute. It looks so good, guys. Like, I'm genuinely like ready to chow down and eat this right now. If I do make this again, less garlic, okay? Because that's what it smells like. Anyway, guys, this is the boil. I will put down the recipe for this in the link in my description. There was a lot of trial and error. Like, I had to cook the eggs over like 3 times because they weren't cooked all the way. So, but I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I know this video was short, so I do apologize about that, but it's gonna be the end of today's video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching, and bye.